ECDL Advanced Excel Lesson 55 AutoFilter. AutoFilter produces a subset of a list with the click of a button. This places the worksheet in filter mode. We can click on any of the arrows to display a drop-down list of unique values in that column. Click on any item and the matching records, that's the rows, will be displayed with the other rows hidden. AutoFilter always selects from the whole list. AutoFilter can be applied to selected columns in a list by selecting them before entering filter mode. Okay, let's open the workbook SICK, which I have on the screen right now. Enter filter mode by clicking on a cell in the list, and then in the Data tab, go to the Sort and Filter section, and then click the Filter button. Using the Surname drop-down list, scroll down the list, uncheck Select All, just tick on the surname Smith, and then click OK. We'll now find that only the Smiths are displayed. Exit filter mode by selecting the filter button again. Next, let's open the workbook Survey and click on any cell in the list. Enter filter mode, so it's Data and then Filter. To display all the males from Sunderland who have replied, select M in the sex column, Sunderland from the town column, and 1 from reply. The list has now been filtered. To redisplay the whole list, instead of checking Select All from the 3 lists, click Clear in the Sort and Filter group. That's up here. All filter selections are now removed. Click Filter to exit filter mode, and then close the workbook Survey without saving, and leave the workbook SICK open for the next lesson. Okay, I hope that has made sense, and I look forward to seeing you next time when we're going to be discussing custom autofilter. Okay, I look forward to seeing you then.